Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store. Then select this button with 3 lines to access background apps. Following that, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app. Then select Floating Window and tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, just click on the other one and operate in both. You can always move your window around by holding this line at the top and dragging it. If you wish to make it tiny, click on Home button, then access it by tapping on it. If you want to use your app in full screen view, tap on the top left corner. If you wish to close it instead, click on the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!